Hey foodies, this is Chef Pete, and this is an egg. And it's a brown egg. But you can use white eggs, you can use brown eggs, you can use speckled eggs, use whatever kind of eggs you guys like, okay? And what I'm talking about today is egg salad, and how do you do the eggs for an egg salad sandwich or egg salad over your salad or making egg salad. And there's hundreds of ways to make egg salad. Some put celery, some put sweet relish, some put a little carrot in there, some put a little olive sliced. I just like to keep it plain when I make it. Sometimes I put celery, sometimes I don't. And I make the dressing very, very simple, which we will get to later on. So, how do you do the eggs to make them hard boiled? I had this question the other day. So what you do is you get your eggs in a pan like this, and you get the water like this to cover your eggs, like this. Get a pinch of salt in there, a pinch of salt, and a splash of vinegar, just in case one of your eggs is cracked. The vinegar will stop the white from coming out, and that will stop the bleeding, so to speak, the white bleeding of the egg white, okay? All right, so all you need to do is bring this to a boil. Shut off the heat. Leave the lid on it, okay? Bring it to a boil, shut off the heat, leave the lid on it, and let it sit for 15 minutes. When it's done, and the 15 minutes time is over, all you need to do is bring it to your sink and run the cold water over it. Okay, I've already done these, so I'm showing you. And we're gonna get the cold water over it, over all our little brown eggs today. You can use whatever you like I said. And then we're going to peel the eggs and get them in our bowl. Okay. So, egg salad sandwiches on the menu today in the Chef Carpizzo's kitchen. And He'll Eat and Teach wants you to remember that we cook, eat, and enjoy, and we meditate as we cook for our families, because when you meditate with your soul and your spirit and your heart of love to your family, this is what makes delicious food. Okay, so there we have it. This is Peter Carpizzo's. We'll be back in the shorts to show you how to put the egg salad all together. Pete, out!